How to create Gmail account without phone number. So you can create a Gmail account without using a phone number. So here is what you need to do. First of all, open Chrome or any browser you prefer. Here I'm tapping on the Chrome, and once inside the Chrome, all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and search for the Gmail sign in or just the Gmail. Now scroll down and there you can see sign in gmail.com option available. Tap on it and navigate to the next site. Here all you have to do is tap on the create account option available. Choose one from these three. Then all you have to do is type down your first name, last name, fill in properly. Then tap on the next button available there. Now here simply enter your birth date. And once you enter your birth date, again tap on the continue option available there. Now enter your username. Fill in the username you prefer. Then again tap on the next button available there. Now create a password. Make sure you create a very strong password. And again tap on the next button available there. Now what you have to do is simply skip this. Now tap on the next and you will be shown the terms and conditions of Gmail. Scroll down and make sure you tap on the next button available again. And you will be navigated to your new Gmail account without the phone number. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.